How to upload image on Freepik Contributor. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can upload image on Freepik Contributor. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Freepik, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Freepik Contributor, it is a program that allows artists, photographers, graphic designers, illustrators, and AI creators to upload and sell their original digital content on the Freepik platform. However, the name now is not Freepik, but rather Magnific.com, formerly known as Freepik. But again, basically the Freepik Contributor allows individuals to earn royalties whenever users download their approved assets, with earnings depending on factors such as contributor performance, content quality, and the platform's royalty system. So from here, if you already sign in on Magnific.com and click the continue button in here, upon filling out the required information to sign in, all you need to do is simply answer some of their questions in here, including here, how will you use Magnific, and many more. But basically, the main difference between Magnific and Freepik Contributor is that the purpose of Magnific enhances and upscale images using AI, while the Freepik Contributor allows creators to upload and monetize creative content. This is basically what the Magnific dashboard looks like. So now going back in Freepik, all you need to do is simply click the Go to Contributor button on the top right corner. So just simply go again to contributor.magnific.com. in which this is basically what the dashboard looks like of it. Now to proceed, all you need to do in here is to go to the files option, or you could also navigate the upload files button right here. And it will show you on the right side panel of it some of the technical requirements to upload, including vector, EPS, PSD files, and photos JPG. So make sure to follow all of these requirements in uploading here and images, as you can see. Upon uploading an images, you should be able to be directed, or you should be able to see the result in here. As you can see, it is now currently being uploaded, and clicking see uploaded files, it will be directed you on this page. And all you need to do in here is you could also navigate the details of these images, but as you can see, it is currently being processed, in which it will automatically being added all of the details, including the title, as you can see in here on the right side panel. You can even label this if it is created as AI. You could also turn on this one and customize other things, including the title, the keywords in here, and any other details, including the release dates and many more. So basically, this program accepts various types of creative content, including vector illustrations, stock photos, PSD templates, icons, videos, and AI-generated images, provided they meet Freepik's quality standard and submission guidelines. And now below, you could also click Attach New. By clicking on it on this pop-up window, you can even enter or fill out the required information of the attaching new release, including the release name, the release type, and even the PDF of it. But basically, these contributors manage the portfolios through the Freepik Contributor dashboard, where people can simply upload files, track downloads, monitor earnings, and analyze performance. So again, in order for you to earn money in Freepik Contributor, all you need to do is simply upload an original high-quality digital asset that users download to a Freepik platform. Once done, it will undergo under revision files, and once it is accepted, or once your contributor account and your submissions are approved, your content becomes available to premium subscribers. Then Freepik pays contributors through a pay per download model, meaning you earn royalties each time one of your premium assets is downloaded. And you could also navigate here the search trends to see some of the trending assets that you could also use as your guide. You also have here some of the challenges that you can use by clicking challenge option, where you can join by simply uploading some of those kind of images, theme, and win rewards for it. We also have here these guidelines if you want to, and many more. So the amount you earn per download in here is not fixed, since it depends on factors such as the subscriber's plan, the platform's net revenue, and the type of asset downloaded, and the subscriber's overall download activity during the billing period. And from here on this platform, to maximize your earnings, Focus on creating original and in-demand content such as AI-generated images, stock photos, illustrations, vectors, icons, PSD templates, and videos. And upload in here consistently. Use accurate titles, descriptions, and relevant keywords so users can easily find your work. You could also generate here your professional portfolio if you want to. But moving on to our dashboard, from here it will show you all of the details that you need to know to start earning in here. And overall, that is just how you can upload image on Freepik Contributor. Thank you.